Ripple XRP holders are about to become wealthy super soon. Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss if Ripple XRP holders are about get rich soon and some news about few other cryptocurrencies. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
Want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Due to the new circumstances of the lawsuit with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, XRP and Ripple Labs have made headlines over and over again in recent months. However, this altcoin so far stands out for a different reason. After a few weeks of voting, the official announcement called XRP Ledger's proposal to reduce reserve requirements was approved on September 19th. Under the new necessary condition, the minimum reserve will be reduced from 20 XRP to 10 XRP. Therefore, users must hold a certain number of tokens when opening new accounts in the general ledger to protect the log from malicious attacks. Reserve requirements can change if there is consensus among validators on the network. Such changes will be necessary when the price of XRP increases. In addition, former Ripple CTO Jed McCaleb has not sold a single XRP coin since September 1st, according to XRP Scan. So far, his XRP wallet has the same 709.911.475.983699 tokens as at the beginning of the month. The past 24 hours have not been cheap for XRP. The sixth largest altcoin lost more than 11% in value. It is noteworthy that the price is now below the $1 mark. The state of the NVT ratio appears to be in an interesting position at the time of writing. As can be seen from the graph below, the current level is at the July level. This ratio measures the ratio between market capitalization and transfer volume and is quite similar to the price/earnings ratio of the traditional financial world. A high NVT means that the network value is greater than the value transmitted into the network. Whenever that price skyrocketed in the recent past, the XRP price rarely reacted positively. Hence, expecting a bearish XRP trend reversal won't make much sense at this point. In addition, the risk-adjusted rate of return also appears to be falling at the time of going to press. It should be noted, however, that the Sharpe ratio has dropped from 9 to 2 in the last month alone. Plus, XRP's Sortino ratio also seems to be pretty low compared to other altcoins, 0.101. If you look at the graph, this ratio for SOL, the competitor of XRP, is currently 0.35. In fact, the Sortino ratio for other altcoins like DOT and Luna is also significantly higher at the time of going to press. Therefore, other altcoins are relatively better options than XRP in terms of upward and risk-adjusted returns. After looking at the state of the data, it is clear that the chances of the XRP price rising above $1.50 in the coming days are pretty slim. However, if the lawsuit turns out to be very positive, the token price should react optimistically. Now on the other hand, Bitcoin price fell below the $43,000 and $41,000 levels, but the bulls successfully defended the $40,750 zone. As a result, the price started rising, and it looks like the market has formed a double floor pattern near the $40,750 mark. Analysts from CryptoQuant called Bitcoin price has hit a double floor. Large amounts of long and short were liquidated in the market. Bitcoin formed a classic double bottom on the 1-hour chart. The price fell to the $40,800 area. The large amount of long liquidity caused the price to rise into the $44,000 area, resulting in short liquidity. BTC price is currently bullish and has passed the $42,000 and $42,800 resistance levels. BTC has also crossed an associated downtrend line with resistance near $42,400 on the hourly chart. The market broke the 50% fib retracement level of the downward move from the $45,153 high to the $40,750 low. It is currently trading above the $43,000 zone and the 100-hour simple moving average. Also, BTC is consolidating near the 76.4% fib retracement level. On the flip side, the immediate resistance is near the $44,800 area. The first major resistance is at $45,000. A closing price above the $44,800 and $45,000 levels could see the market rise steadily. The next major resistance is near the $45,500 zone, above which a rally to $46,200 is possible. Unless it breaks above the $45,000 resistance area, BTC could initiate a downward correction with immediate support to the downside near the $43,600 level. The first big support is near the $43,200 area and the 100-hour simple moving average. Any further losses could move the price towards the $42,000 support area in the short term. Ethereum news. According to Santiment, 1/3 of the circulating Ethereum supply has been moved from exchanges to private wallets. Since September 26, 2020 to date, the circulating supply has decreased from 24% to 16%, a decrease of 8% in 1 year. The main reason for this trend is the updated network and the rapid rise in prices at ETH. Since September 2020, when supply on the exchanges began to decline, the price of Ethereum has risen nearly 1,000%, with an average entry of $1,800 to $2,000. The majority of Ethereum holders currently hold their coins with a 69% return. News. Cardano. The Cardano blockchain was chosen to power the artificial intelligence (AI) modules of a humanoid robot named Grace. Grace is fluent in English and Korean and was developed by Awakening Health and SingularityNet. This robot can be used commercially in elderly care and human health care in general. Equipped with powerful AI technology, Grace is able to simulate 48 facial muscles, enabling social interactions with patients. The Cardano integration will greatly improve the robot's performance, which means it will take less time to process biological data. Cardano donated $20 million to Carnegie Mellon University, CMU. The founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, was a sponsored $20 million to Carnegie Mellon University, CMU, to build a full-fledged Hoskinson Center for Mathematical Research. The center will be located at the Dietrich College of Humanities and Social Sciences at CMU. Jeremy Avogad, professor of philosophy and mathematical sciences at the university, will lead the center. Mathematical theorems that focus on finding evidence, checking steps and certifying correctness with the help of a computer will be the main research area of the center. Binance News. Starting October 26, 2021 at 11 a.m. UTC+8, users in Singapore will no longer be able to access certain features on Binance.com, including fiat deposit and exchange services. Buy instant crypto through fiat channels and liquidity swaps. Binance will border the users of the payment service in Singapore are aligned with the exchange's obligation to comply with the regulations. Users in Singapore are advised to cease all relevant transactions, withdraw fiat assets, and exchange tokens before 11 a.m. UTC+8 on October 26, 2021 to avoid potential transaction disputes. News. Uniswap. It appears that decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and related tokens are the biggest beneficiaries of the recent sweep from China. Among them, the Uni of the Uniswap exchange, the largest DEX in the world, seems to be the token that has benefited the most so far. In particular, the Uni price has increased more than 37% in the past 24 hours, from a daily low of $17.77 to a daily high of $25.98. At the same time, the trading volume of Uni coins increased by more than 500%. Dogecoin news. The Italian fashion house Dolce & Gabbana has suggested that Tesla boss Elon Musk should be crowned crypto king if he owns the Doge crown. The gem is part of the fashion giant's first NFT collection, launched earlier this month in collaboration with the Polygon-based digital token marketplace UNXT. The dog's crown features 7 blue sapphires and 142 diamonds, designed by Domenico Dolce and Stefano Gabbana. LTC news. The LTC price has had its ups and downs this month. So far, however, the downward movement on the chart has been more pronounced than the upward movement. Accordingly, the decline in market capitalization is inevitable. This altcoin used to be in the top 10, but is now in 17th place at the time of writing. May LTC traded well below $200 with one exception. In fact, the current condition is even worse with the retail price of $151. Has the pressure to sell come to an end? The market value real value ratio, MVRV, has fallen since the first week of September. The indicator has been around 1. Despite the downward trend, the graph below clearly shows the current levels, which are much higher than from June to July. Overall, this shows that the hodler is making more money than at that time. On the other hand, the spend output return (SOPR) rate has stayed below 1 since September 17th. While this ratio highlights the true amount of profit/loss, a value below 1 suggests that selling pressure may be coming to an end and sellers will quickly capitulate. Should such a situation continue in the coming days, the uptrend for LTC will be higher. The liveliness index has also fallen since September 15th. Usually this is the ratio between the number of days a coin is destroyed and the number of days a coin is created. The indicator rises when long-term hodlers liquidate positions and falls when they accumulate or HODL. As can be seen from the graph, the HODL behavior has dominated the market. This is usually a healthy sign. Given the slope of the curve, it can be said that the current trend will continue on its own for the next few days. It should be noted that LTC price rarely moves without Bitcoin support. The current correlation between these two coins is pretty high. Hence, the LTC price may only go up as the broader market begins to rebound. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.